You are not late. If you're someone who's trying to make some money online and have never really found any success, I got you. If you follow me till the end, I'm going to show you exactly what transition do you need to take that's going to make the change happen for you. So guys, without further ado, let's go. Hey guys, it's your boy Debra over your screen, and I'm back with another video to add some more value into your life. And let's get started with today's topic, that is how to be successful online. Alright, so you should have been, trying all those things online. I believe you did, and therefore you're watching this video because you want to know the secrets of being successful. You have been trying things online, you have did a lot of the, you went through all of this pain, of trying and testing, but even then nothing's working for you. You feel that, if you just look at other people, how are they being successful? What are they doing, that makes them successful, and what are you doing wrong? Right, so that's the question in your mind. I got you. And, I really can feel the pain that you have inside of you, the kind of, I can understand. I have been there and I am still there, okay? Like, to be very fair, I am still there, because I'm not that much successful. I still have too much to taste yet, and therefore I'm bringing out this video where I can share with you what will exactly help you to take the transition. Remember, this video is to help you take the transition, okay? We're basically just gonna take the initial steps. This won't make you successful instantly, but this is definitely gonna help you take the first step to be successful. Right, so let's get started. So fine, at first let's understand what the problem is. The problem is that you are not making money, okay? You've been putting your efforts, you've been following everything, but you are not making money. Why? Understand this thing. Your focus now is money. But remember, if you chase money, you are just valuing money more, and therefore when you didn't know that when you value something, it's not going to value back, right? The moment you shift your focus from it and you start not valuing it, the thing itself starts valuing you. And that's a really golden rule if you just think about it, right? So this has been a personal experience and observation all throughout my life that I did, okay? Like, even if I've been a very bright student in my academics, and I've never really given that much importance to my studies, but even then my results worked out for me, without even putting in lots of efforts. I scored 95 plus, I had 97 plus grades. Always, how? It was, I just realized that, when you start valuing something, even this is same in the case of some people, okay? When you start valuing people too much, they start devaluing you. And that's the same thing. It applies to money too, because now you're concerned too much about money. Therefore, what happens is that, you just think about money, and therefore money doesn't think about you. So if you want, to make the money work for you, to make the money think about you, to value you and come to you, you have to shift your focus from money. Now, if you want to shift your focus from money, where do you need to focus? Right, where do you need to focus if you do not want to, keep your focus on money? You have started all of this, side hustles, all of those passive income methods, but just focusing on money. So you need to take a shift. But where? Right, that's the question. So now, if you have to take the shift towards delivering value. Okay, you should have heard this, a lot of times. And I know this, you did, right? Even when you were just starting out, even if you heard about this. But just ask yourself, did you really give value to delivering value? Did you? Right, so you heard about it. Maybe you know about this, what is called value. But I'm going to give you, a straightforward insight regarding what this is, so that you can take the shift. So delivering value in itself is a big responsibility. It gives you, it basically, when you become someone who's sharing a lot of value, okay, what is value in short is just your knowledge, the valuable tips, tricks, or your personal experiences. Like, whatever you're watching my content, I'm kind of trying to deliver some kind of value. You're trying to gain something, that you feel, this is something that's useful. This is called value. If you just think that you can create any content and that's a piece of value, no, it is not. You should be able to when you yourself feel whatever you're delivering to you, maybe it can be a written post or video, whatever you're talking to your audience, if you feel, when you listen to it, when you see your video, when you see the post that you've written, if you feel, I feel this is good, that's where you know that you are delivering value. This is value, guys. This is value. Deliver value. Okay, whatever business model you are in, you require to deliver value. You require to establish yourself as the authority, because when you have the authority, now you can, basically manipulate people. In any business model, you need to manipulate your customers. Okay, it's kind of a positive manipulation. It's the term that we use in a business, okay, to describe, basically everything is psychology, right? So whatever it is, don't get deep into it. Just know that you have to build an authority before you start making money work for you, because you never make money, you make businesses and businesses make money, right? So whatever you've been doing, shift your focus from money to value delivering. And what is value? Now it's any piece of information that just gives you that aha feeling, right? That this is something really huge, and this is something that your audience would enjoy watching, would enjoy listening to. Okay, take your shift from here to there. This is the first step. Okay, so now this is just in your head that you have to take the shift. Now you need to make, anything that's in your head will always remain in your head unless and until you take action. Now is the time to take action. Action is another big thing. After you have to deliver value, this is what you need to do. Now you need to take action. When you take action, you need to build a brand around it. Okay, choose a model, do a research, whatever. It doesn't take a lot of time, right? I've explained in this video how to find your passion online. Here I talk about how do you actually carry out the perfect research without procrastinating or without wasting any of the resources, keeping it a lot more efficient. So go ahead, watch this video and know, what kind of research you need to do. How do you do the research? What parameters to look for, how to find your passion online. That's the first step. You need to also know what your passion is, okay? Now you have to deliver value on what? This video is the answer for it, okay? So you can go ahead and check out, put all the links in the description and also in the iCard, all right? And next, after you know what your passion, what values to be delivered, what's your, passion, what's your niche, what's the model that you want to work upon, the next step is being consistent with everything, right? Now you need to create content, and with content, build consistency. Build consistency, it's really easy. I'll pull out another video where I'll explain how to be consistent, how to have infinite ideas, how to put everything all together, because you're now trying to be a budding content creator, okay? When you become a content creator, you're trying to establish yourself as a personal brand. And if you want to know what personal brand is, okay, how to differentiate between a personal brand, business brand, check out this video. It's another amazing video, and I guarantee you, if you watch the video, it's going to give you really clear insights on how to build a personal brand, okay? So you need to follow these 2 videos that I just shared you. Then you learn what a personal brand is. Now value, and the next step is knowing your niche, and the third step is creating content and building a brand around it, okay? So when you combine all of this together, you build authority, and authority is something that's gonna help you to establish a kind of a rapport in front of your audience. Now that you have an audience to cater, okay? So now, for example, now you become an affiliate marketer, now you have an audience, it becomes 100x easier for you to sell products. If you're a drop shipper, now you have someone, you have already created a base and kind of an audience to whom you can let know that you have this store. And if out of your audience someone's interested, they can go ahead and they can make some purchases through your store. But even if you don't, you know that you have already done the promotion, and there are various strategies now that you can implement if you work strategically. I'll cover in the upcoming videos how to form strategies and how to make things work for you, even if you see there's no way, right? I know this video has got really stretched along, but if you're here watching this, I want to congratulate you, because you're one of those few lucky people who have been chosen to watch this video, and perhaps up to this length, because you're someone who's serious, right? If you're gaining something from this video, then do make sure to let me know by hitting the like button and also commenting that I like the video, or I gained something, and thank you, whatever you want to, right? That will be help to boost the engagement, and will help the video to reach more people, and I'll be really grateful to you if you can do so, right? So you now know what you need to do, okay? The only thing that you need to do is just shift your focus from money to delivering value. And how do you deliver value? I already told you that, let's just summarize. It's just about, if you need to deliver value, you need to find out your passion. And how do you find your passion? The video is in the icon. Go ahead and check it. That's how you find your passion. And once you know, next is build a personal brand around it. When you build a personal brand, you have the authority now you're in the alpha, and when you're in the alpha position, everything starts working for you, right? And I tell you, now you don't have to worry about money, because now you're so much focused in delivering value. Money comes into you, okay? It will find ways to come to you. I swear to God, when I got started, for a time being, because I was someone who, focused on money. I lost so many years, wasted so many years. But even then, since I was a content creator and I was focusing on creating content, I had so many opportunities knock my door, and that really, helped me, uplift me financially. I swear, I'm going to share all of this in the upcoming videos. So I want you to join me on this journey, because, in this channel, you can expect that I upload 3 videos every week, each on personal development, your financial development, and a technical development. So these are the 3 domains that I work upon, and I hope, I try to give out my best in this channel. So if you're watching to this time, then please do make sure to subscribe, and do let me know if you subscribe. Connect with me on Instagram if you have any questions, and I'm there to help you out. You can also connect with me on WhatsApp. I'll provide my WhatsApp number in the description, so you can go ahead and also check me out on WhatsApp. I'm available for you guys, right? I'm for you guys. So if you have any questions, just feel free to drop them down in the comments, or just connect with me personally. I'll be happy to assist you. So with this, we just come to the end of the video. So I believe that you now know what wrong you have been doing, right? What things you have been doing wrong. And I wish and I pray that if you watch this video and you implement what I did about in this video, indeed, inshallah, success is coming to you. You will start seeing money. Okay, this is gonna take time, obviously, but I swear this will definitely bring success. It's a working method of making money. Okay, money is gonna work for you. Now you're not working for money. Just get out of this zone of making money. Now money is gonna come to you, because you are going to follow this, right? So I'll leave you there, and I'll see you in some other video. Go ahead, check out my channel, and you're gonna find tons of other videos. Okay, just go ahead, check me out there. I'm gonna see you in some other video. Till then, I'll leave you there, and bye bye.